There I go again, kicking some dumb flow. Think they have a juku, they just on young ho. Fonto with the roar, how the gumbo roll. My nigga with the pot, it ain't gumbo though.
Hi Triana Travel Channel, hi my babies. We're gonna get right into this video because I'm about to spend a lot of time with y'all today, okay? Today is Saturday, but by the time y'all see this, it will be Wednesday. So I hope that I'm gonna be able to help y'all get through hump day because y'all know how we feel about hump day. So yeah, today I'm gonna make 2 videos. So after this video, I want y'all to jump right into the second video and get into that. I'm excited for the second video. Like, I'm excited for this video, but I'm excited for the second video. So today we are doing our Fenty hair review and unboxing, okay? I say review and unboxing because I have already purchased the Fenty shampoo and conditioner, okay? Now, I felt like before I did an actual review, I needed to at least buy the shampoo and the conditioner as a minimum, just so I could be able to give my opinions on that, okay? Now, my hair has been a journey since I was born, okay? My mom's side, they got gray hair, thick, long, healthy hair. My dad's side, they have soft, not as healthy, not as thick hair, okay? So I've always been right in the middle, okay? I've struggled with the front. This side of my hair has always been shorter than this side of my hair. My top has always been shorter than my back. My hair actually grows pretty fast, but it's just like, sorry, I feel like I done got a piece of hair in my contact. My hair actually grows really fast, and everybody says it's very soft. I always get good compliments on my hair, but I've never been content with where my hair has been over the years. And I used to be one of them females that's like scared to do their own hair. I used to be scared to do my own hair. I used to be scared of my hair. Like, the most I would do is shampoo and conditioner, then somebody else gotta do it, okay? Lately, I've learned how to do my ponytails. I learned how to do me a quick half up, half down. And I just even tried my first wig install, okay? And I think I did really well on my wig install. The only thing is, I only used the Got To Be glue like spray. I didn't use actually wig glue because I knew I was only having it on for that one night. And I knew this week I was putting me a ponytail in because I'm going to get my hair done tomorrow. So that's another reason why I'm doing this review, because I needed to wash my hair anyway for my appointment tomorrow. And I just purchased a whole new shebang of Fenty hair, okay? Fenty just had a 30% off of all Fenty products, hair, skin, makeup, anything Fenty Beauty. They had a sale, and I love the Fenty shampoo and conditioner so much. I've already used it on my grandmother twice. I used it on my mother once. No, I used it on my grandmother twice. I used it on my aunt once. And my mother is really trying to come over here and get her hair done, because my grandmother, she done been over here so many times to get her hair done now, child. But that's not the here nor there. Another thing I always struggle with is, because my hair is so soft and because I always wore a lot of braids, I always struggle with my edges. And I know how to be transparent. I, like we know, I'm very confident. I don't got no problem. I am self-aware. So I can honestly say, after like only using it once, my edges are really starting to come back in. I've also have not been wearing braids for a long time, okay? I've been doing a lot of wigs lately. I've been trying to do a lot of wigs. I just got my ends trimmed, like the second to the last time I got my wig installed. Cause I want my hair to just keep growing, okay? I want my hair to keep growing. I want my hair journey to be legit, okay? So I'm proud of myself. Um, for keeping up with my hair, for no longer being scared. I encourage all my women out there, if you're scared of your hair, don't be scared of your hair, okay? It's just hair. I done had my hair bald in high school, in college. I done had a haircut. I done had short, long. I done had braids. I done had every style you could possibly think of. Faux locks before faux locks was even a trend, okay? So I understand. I understand. But let's get right into this hair review. And it's unboxing. So this is the unboxing. The review is pretty much me telling y'all go buy Fenty hair. Cause it's worth it, okay? And I don't stop using my other stuff. So real quick, I'm not no rich bitch. I'm a broke hoe, okay? But I like quality stuff, and I like to spend my money on quality stuff. Fenty hair is worth the money, but I also keep my. I also keep. I don't switch up because I like to wash my hair too many times. That like I need at least 2-3 washes and 2-3 conditioners every time. So in order for me to save my Fenty hair, I still use my go-tos, my African Pride and my Shea Moisturizer, okay? It gets the job done. So this is how the big Fenty box looks. I love it. I can show y'all the little Fenty box. This is what this is the box the shampoo and the conditioner came in. So it's cute. You know Rihanna gonna give it to us raw and unfiltered. This also came with some free stuff, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, first to start off, I got my lip gloss, my plush pudding. This is what y'all probably seen me wear a couple of times. I love these. I got them in every flavor. So every time I run out, I re-up. So I needed a re-up. And like I said, it was 30% off. I'm going to save all the free gifts that she gave us for last. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. All the free stuff that she gave us, I'm going to show that later. Okay. So to start off with, I'm gonna just show y'all how the shampoo and conditioner comes, because I just showed y'all. So the shampoo and conditioner comes like this, real nice and official, right? Everything back in my box because I don't need that yet. Okay, this is her instant damage repair treatment, the comeback kit. I wanted this when I bought my first order, but this is like $30 and I wasn't paying it at the moment. But I wanted this so bad. Like I just feel like this is really going to help me with my damaged hair. Like it said repairs, reduces breakage, damage, conditions for smoother, shinier, healthier looking style. So I'm super excited. So I wet my hair and I put it on. So you leave this in for about 3 to 5 minutes. So for me, I'll be putting this on with a plastic cap for 10 minutes. That's what I'll be doing. Then this is the heat protector. I've been wanting to get this because I do a lot of ponytails, I do a lot of blow drying, I do a lot of flat ironing. So I really wanted to try the heat protector. But I also wanted to get y'all hip to something new that I've been trying that I really love. And Design Essential, if you know, you know. I've been using Design Essential. This is their foam and wrap lotion. So I do a couple squirts of this. And then this is their thermal strengthening serum, like their heat protector. And I put a couple pumps of this, probably like 1.5 pumps of this before I blow dry my hair. And I'm telling you, this, you talk about you want to make sure your hair is straight and you want to give flat. Design Essential. I also use Design Essential leave-in conditioner, which this is that almond and avocado. Y'all, I found this at Dollar General for $5. Okay. So I was pressed when I found this because I had already had these, and I'm like, oh my god, I love these so much. But these be expensive. Go look it up. Expensive. This I was pressed. So, and this is for natural hair leave-in conditioner. So I love it. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this hair journey I'm on right now. Okay. So back to Fenty. So we got our shampoo and our conditioner, right? We got our deep conditioner that we're gonna let sit for about 10 minutes. I'm not gonna do those today. And then this is your heat protector, right? Your heat protector. Now I also been wanting to try the holding gel because I do a lot of ponytails. This is the holding gel, so she give you a nice amount. It's cute, very cute. And I'm not about to be using all my stuff on these little 1-2 ponytails. I'm still using my other stuff. That's what I'm saying. You gotta have a nice balance between now and what you already use. Then this is the edge control. I had to give Rihanna edge control. I almost bought the $20 brush, but I said maybe next check. This is her edge control. So she still give you a nice amount for $20. It's about the same size as Hicks. I think Hicks used to be a little bit more, and I used to spend about $20 on Hicks. So that's my kit. I got the styling gel, the edge control, my heat protector, my deep conditioner, my shampoo, my conditioner. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready for this hair journey. When you see a bitch start giving Rapunzel, don't say nothing. Okay, so like I said, this is my oh, so I showed you my pudding. This is what I paid for this too. So then on your purchase of like, I think if you spend like 100 and something, how much I spent? I spent almost $200, 30% off of that. I don't even know how much I spent. She don't even be wanting you to remember how much you spent, child. They don't even give you no invoice, child. Anyways, I spent some money, but if you spend over like $100, she give you 3 free gifts. So this is her Fenty eye cream. I'm so excited because the eye cream I use right now, I love it. But it's a small tube. You know they be giving you eye creams in the small tube, y'all. And I was like, I'm gonna run out. So this is her eye cream. I can't wait. And a lot of my skin products I use on my face is Fenty. My whole bathroom about to be Fenty. Okay. Then I love this Fenty Skin. This is like your eye strip for the bed for when you go to sleep. Which I be feeling like I need some on this because I be like, oh my god. These are my eye things. I'm gonna start wearing this sleep at night. Yeah. So cute. And I love how she even gave it to us in my cans because now I can keep my little. Why is it banked up? And then Fenty Hair. She gave us a scarf. I'm so excited because I be needing new scarves. She gave us a real bomb Fenty Hair scarf. Don't play with Rihanna, bitch. Period. So I'm happy about my haul. I'm happy about my haul. I'm gonna wash my hair real quick, but I'm gonna just record with my Fenty products because, like I said, I use other stuff as well. How many minutes? We have 15 minutes already. Yeah, cause I'm gonna just this video don't need to be that long. It ain't that deep. So we're gonna move it to the kitchen real quick so we can. I ain't using none of my. I ain't using none of my new Fenty stuff right now. Okay, so we about to move to the kitchen. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I did my pre-wash. Now I'm gonna put my Fenty shampoo. So that was 1 squirt. That was 2 squirts. Okay. So as y'all can see, the leaven is really good. The leaven is really good. That was just 2 squirts. And I actually washed my hair, the 3 times with my other stuff, so I'm not going to do another thing of Fenty. I'm going to just do that. This going to be my only Fenty. This going to be my only Fenty wash. And it smells so good, y'all. It be smelling so good. Okay, so I'm about to wash. Then I gotta do my other conditioner first, but once I end with my Fenty conditioner, I'll be back. Okay, so I did my first conditioner with the other conditioner I like to use. Now I'm going to do my Fenty conditioner. That is 1 pump. This is 2 pumps. And I'm going to do a half a pump. Because I feel like, don't go light on the conditioner, okay? But as I sit here and comb through this conditioner, I want to first thank everybody for making it through another Trayana Travels video. I want to encourage everybody, and I'm going to use one more for the middle, another half a pump. I want to encourage everybody that's not subscribed to go ahead and hit that subscriber button, please. We are on our way to our 100 subscribers by the end of October. Okay, I forgot to harass y'all on our Gag City LA video. I was too caught up in the vlog because I hadn't been on a flight in a minute. I forgot to ask y'all, okay? So go ahead and hit that subscriber button. If you are new here, I thank you so much for just clicking on the video and engaging. I hope you return. If you're not new here, you know the vibes. Go ahead and hit that like button. If you have the Fenty hair products, comment and let me know what you like. If you have Fenty Beauty in general, because like I said, I use her skincare products as well. So go ahead and let me know what you like about just Fenty Beauty in general. I need everybody to like the video. I'm about to let this sit for like probably just 2 minutes. And then I'm going to jump right into my second video of the day, okay? I'm so ready for this second video. I'm so excited. This video is going to be one that goes perfect right now with what's going on. I'm sure you all know about it. But I'm not going to give it away. I want everybody to go click that next video, okay? Go click that next video. We about to have a good little time. Go ahead and get y'all drinks and stuff ready for the next video. Go ahead and roll up before you click the next video, because the next video about to be all of that and some. Okay. All right, y'all. See y'all back in a second.